KEEPBEST has obtained multiple quality certifications like ISO 9001, IATF 16949. And this is KEEPBEST development history. In 2012, Guangdong KEEPBEST was established, and in this year, 2025, the production base in Jiangmen, Guangdong was put into production. It shows our corporate culture, our mission, vision, and values. Our mission is, while striving for the material and spiritual happiness for our employees, we focus on electric assembly solutions, providing zero-defect products and reliable service to help our customers' success and contributing to a better technological life. Our vision to be an industry-leading Fortune 500 level and respected century-long enterprise. And this is our values: customer-centric collaboration, striving-oriented, integrity, hardworking, introspection. These are our symbols for our customers. That's all for my introduction for our exhibition hall. Next, I will show you our factory in SMT and DIP card.